dim or flickering headlights. This is one of the most common signs. Your alternator is supposed to keep a steady supply of electrical power while the engine is running, but if it starts failing, voltage can drop or become unstable, and that often shows up in the lights first. You may notice your headlights looking dimmer than normal, or flickering slightly, especially at idle. Sometimes the lights brighten when you rev the engine, then dim again when RPM drops. That changing brightness is a strong clue, because it suggests your charging system is no longer stable.